Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials so the next steps work. First, make sure your iPhone supports Face ID and is on the latest iOS. Update if needed. Next, sign into your Apple ID in Settings and verify the App Store uses that account. Once done, open Settings, go to Face ID and passcode, and unlock the phone. This is where you enable app authentication options. Follow along, these checks prevent hiccups later. Now you'll turn on Face ID specifically for App Store purchases. In Face ID and passcode, toggle iTunes and App Store to on so purchases can use facial authentication. Then go back to Settings and open App Store to confirm the Use Face ID option is enabled. This links the store to your biometric setting. To validate, try downloading a free app. When you tap Get, a Face ID prompt should appear. If it does, you've completed the central setup and can use your face instead of a password. Finish by confirming purchases. Now authenticate with your face and adjusting any prompts for additional verification. If Face ID doesn't trigger, reset Face ID and re-enroll your face. Make sure attention-aware features are enabled and clear the true depth camera of obstructions. Once done, test again with a small purchase or free download. If problems persist, sign out and back into your Apple ID or restart the phone. These quick fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.